Secretary ka North Eastern Council NEC ke Moses Chalai ha ka pratarik rempang upentip ba ka NEC kala menjuria ka song jingera pisa ka bakat wei kelur na ka bentaban pynkylla thymmai ya ka Iewduh ka badai ka jakayo ka balarim tam ka badan ha kanong ba shilong. Habakren Syllad pathai kubor uchalai ulaong. Ngilapan kre ban thymmai biang ya ka Iewduh bara bazar. Ngila ai ka jingmenjer Henry ya ka ni ka pisa andang perlan. Ulaong ru ba ka jingdot jingsep na ka benta ka ni ka project kan kot syakumba khat wei klur. Kat kum ka jingpen pau ka jong u ulaong ba ya ka ni ka song pisa la ban perlat no ha padeng kini ki ar lai banai ki banuan.
We are going to revamp our good, poor, all Bara Bazaar. Bara Bazaar is the steps and everything, and the water system is in poor shape. That we're going to revamp the whole thing, and we've just sanctioned, and very soon we'll take out. I'm just mentioning one of them. About 11 CR. That from which sector?
It's approved, but money is not released yet.
Yeah, it's
we are in the process of
very recently
studying the BPRs.
It's about 10 CR.
Yeah, it's about
Slightly
10 11
plus
CR.
next 2-3 months sanction. In the next 2-3 months, and then the state government is going to implement, so they should start immediately. I mean, you know that I've visited once, twice. The whole thing is really in very very poor shape. Yeah. So, but the market cannot be shifted out. It cannot go away. So we will.